Like a nigga in a drop top coupe, I'm W, due for a win. You forgetting I got fashion outside. Like, it's 100 degrees out here, it's hot as fuck. It's the type of shit that make you crash your wheel. I jumped out 113.
It is 91,000 damn degrees. I am sitting right next to my air conditioner. Right next to it. It is on the lowest temperature on the highest damn speed. Okay? 64 degrees and it's on turbo. What the fuck do I need to put this bitch on? Power Ranger? This is fucking unacceptable.
Bro, what's up with all the ZL1s that be out here, yo? They just be giving them away.
Fuck are you talking about?
Just out here living at this point. What the fuck? What the fuck? Almost scraped this steep ass shit. Then right off of this steep ass shit, a crazy ass. Oh my, hello? These streets can't be cool right now. Oh shit, this the low. This bitch dead in.
Shit getting wacky. Shit getting wacky, man.
Oh, I thought this bitch was a dead end. I'm like, hold on. I'm sitting there parked, like, do anybody else, like, car guys wise, do y'all hate parking? Like, I hate pulling, like, if I'm not bagging into the parking spot, I hate pulling into parking spots because I feel like I'm going to tear my bumper up. But then when I'm bagging into a parking spot, my car's so low to the point where, like, my exhaust tips hitting certain things, it blows me. Then on top of that, I hate parallel parking because I be trying to pull this long ass charger in. Like, come on now, like, look, I'm trying to pull this long ass charger in. I'm fucking thinking I'm gonna scrape my rims. Shit just be. There's always something. I'm trying to pull into a driver the other day, and like my bumper, it's not low, but it's low. It's about this much off the ground. I can show y'all real quick. It's not low, but it's like it's about like an inch off of the ground. Like it's 2 inches. It's not like no crazy difference or nothing. How y'all doing? It's not like no crazy difference or nothing. Like, it's crazy different from stock height. And I'm pulling in my bumper. All I see is my head like go like this. I'm like, oh, I'm crunching the bumper. I'm glad it's plastic, not like that fiberglass. If it was fiberglass.
Don't give a fuck.
Hello? What the fuck is going on here? You know what? I'm out my business. I guess that 5 for you. I do this 3-4 times again. I tested 5 for you.
Keep that fucking job.
High fashion, like go yard, to the Maverick. But I put some ice on a nigga, how I go for it. I know they like that. They like that. They like that. They like that. She like that. is steep. Exactly, always something. There's always something. I need a thumbnail. Hello? Who said that? Who said that? If I gotta run for 12, I'm fucked. I ain't got no gas in this bitch.
Y'all are going to jail! Get out!
How you stay down, that's why I'm going through it. Niggas do shit like that. That is crazy, bro. That shit slow. That shit slow.
Oh, damn, homies.
That shit slow.
Yeah, right.
Outside made a mess, you pop out the jet. I'm about to catch, I double the bed. My money stretch from south to the west. Lawyers the best, get home with a check. He done fucked up, put some dough on his head. Kept me knocked down, left the nut on the list. When this catch up like a motherfucking tread. Yeah, nigga fucked up tryna hide the drum on the stick on the side of switch. Call up a little pretty vibe, pull up and let her massage the dick. Oh, that's your new ride, we whipping and swerving all kind of shit. Whipping and running, my little niggas pulling a gun and they hit when they trying to hit. I started running, we shooting rats right in their stomachs and leave them inside. Ain't nothing funny when you got a bread on the onion, don't look like you